Infosys Limited plans to consider final dividend on the 18th of April. Asian Paints Limited is set to discuss the recommendation of final dividend on the 9th of May. Bharat Electronics Limited has declared a second interim dividend of 0.70 rupees per share with a record date of the 23rd of March 2024. REC Limited will consider the declaration of its third interim dividend, rescheduled to be on the 19th of March, with a record date of the 28th of March 2024. SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited has set the record date for considering payment of interim dividend on the 19th of March, with a record date of the 28th of March 2024. Patanjali Foods Limited has declared an interim dividend of 6 rupees per share with a record date of the 21st of March 2024. Infosys Limited plans to consider and recommend a final dividend on the 25th of April. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited will consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 20th of March, with a record date of the 29th of March 2024. TVS Holdings Limited is set to consider an interim dividend on the 21st of March, with a record date of the 2nd of April 2024. Mishra Data Nigam Limited has declared an interim dividend of 1.41 rupees per share with a record date of the 22nd of March 2024. R Systems International Limited has set the record date for interim dividend to be declared on the 19th of March, with a record date of the 28th of March 2024. Exolves India Limited has declared an interim dividend of 5 rupees per share with a record date of the 21st of March 2024. Prithvi Exchange India Limited is set to consider and approve an interim dividend on the 20th of March, with a record date of the 29th of March 2024. Standard Industries Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.50 rupees per share with a record date on or after the 12th of April, with a record date of the 28th of March 2024. Lorenzini Apparels Limited has set the record date for stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees and bonus issue in the ratio of 6:11 for the 27th of March 2024. TVS Motor Company Limited will consider issuing cumulative non-convertible redeemable preference shares, NCRPS, as a bonus to shareholders of the company on the 20th of March. Few things about NCRPS is to it cannot be converted to equity shares. They do not carry voting rights. They do not require an immediate payout and are cumulative in nature. On redemption, the shareholders receive a cash payout. Paysalo Digital Limited plans to issue bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 on the 21st of March, with a record date of the 20th of March 2024. The Anup Engineering Limited will consider the proposal of bonus shares on the 20th of March. Advani Hotels and Resorts India Limited is set to approve bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 on the 21st of March. Titan Intech Limited will consider the proposal of issuing bonus shares on the 27th of March. Sunrise Efficient Marketing Limited has set the record date for a bonus issue in the ratio of 1:2 on the 3rd of April 2024. Nidhi Granites Limited has recommended issuing bonus shares in the proportion of 1:1. Persistent Systems Limited will undergo a stock split from 10 rupees to 5 rupees per share with a record date of the 1st of April 2024. Some Distilleries and Breweries Limited will consider a stock split from the face value of 5 rupees per share. Candhina Ventures Limited will consider the proposal of a stock split from the face value of 5 rupees per share on the 3rd of April. IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited plans to issue units aggregating up to 22,500 rupees million by a fast-track rights issue to IRB Infrastructure Trust. Hindustan Construction Company Limited corrected its earlier announcement regarding the rights issue ratio to 13:118. Mistan Foods Limited has set the record date to receive rights entitlement of the rights issue on the 20th of March 2024. Jyoti Structures Limited will consider various terms on the rights issue on the 20th of March. Dhanlaxmi Bank Limited will consider raising funds by a rights issue on the 22nd of March. Till Limited postponed its record date from the 15th of March for its rights issue, which will be decided later. Shiva Cement Limited plans a rights issue for an amount not exceeding 400 crores. Synergy Green Industries Limited intends to raise funds through a rights issue with further details to be intimated. Skypoint Geomatics Limited will consider a proposal of raising funds on the 20th of March. Iranjayoti Bioventures Limited has a rights issue period from the 26th of March to the 8th of April, with the last date for market renunciation on the 2nd of April. Marco-Benz Ventures Limited received in principle approval for the rights issue from exchanges, with various terms to be considered on the 21st of March. Viram Securities Limited approved a rights issue at a price of 7 rupees per share in the ratio of 1:2. Nakoda Group of Industries Limited approved a rights issue for an amount up to 13 crores. Krishna Paper Mills Limited has a rights issue period from the 2nd of April to the 15th of April at a price of 21 rupees per share in the ratio of 2:1. Spectrum Foods Limited plans a rights issue for an amount not exceeding 40 crores at an issue price of 20 rupees per share in the ratio of 4:1. The issue period is from the 8th of April to the 22nd of April, with a record date of the 27th of March 2024. Dipna Pharmachem Limited extended the closing date of the rights issue period from the 15th of March to the 19th of March. Ayakat Hitesh Toolroom Limited will consider various terms on the rights issue on the 20th of March. Elitican International Limited plans a rights issue for an amount not exceeding 45 crores. McNally Bharat Engineering Company Limited announced a reduction of capital with a record date of the 26th of March 2024. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.